Okay, dito tayo sa Jeddah. Okay, papakita natin yung pagmi-meetingan natin. Let's go. Ayan, Petromen Express. Diyan tayo aakyat mamaya sa taas. Diyan magmi-meeting sa taas. Kung ano yung paggigir-giran nila, ano yung pag-uusapan. Okay.
Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome to this very important training program on quality customer service experience. It's a very important program which we are launching, and the team has done a wonderful job of creating and putting together a very strong video and a full script which we all need to practice and deliver to our customer, so that our customer gets a uniform and quality experience at all our stations. Means any customer coming to our facility, all across 600 plus petrol service stations, each and every employee talk the same language, same script, and propose all our products in the same manner. So that's the ambition of this program. Customer is very important. You know why? Because it's a customer who is paying our salaries, not the management, not the company. It's a customer. If customer is happy, he comes back to us repeatedly and then brings more business to all of us. More business means more money and more, it helps company.
To deliver an enhanced customer experience, we are talking what we call speaking the common language. An excellent series has been designed by our business excellence team to suit a market that all content is prepared in-house. However, what we are teaching and benchmarking ourselves is against those best in class. So happy learning, enjoy the program. We look forward to hearing your exceptional execution from our customers when they visit the Petromen Express 2.0. Thank you.
Okay, sir, welcome to the Express. How can I help you? I just want to do the oil change for my car. Sir, I will explain to you the importance and benefits of the services. The power steering fluid sensor, it helps remove wear metal debris and contaminant, help in installing steering performance, secure, wide, and smooth handling, and also it helps reduce potential costly repairs. For any glass servicer, it removes slush, varnish, and debris from the engine, reduces any friction and